Welcome to this Lambus tutorial. In this video, we'll explore the expense feature, making it easier than ever to keep track of your travel expenditures. Let's dive right in. To begin, open your trip overview. Next, locate the expense icon in the scroll bar, or if you prefer, scroll down to find the expense section yourself. Now, let's add an expense. Tap on the plus button and decide if you want to add a private or shared expense. If you're adding a shared expense, follow these steps. First, add a descriptive title. If you want, you can select a category for your spending to see later in the spending statistics how much you have spent in which areas. Enter who paid and the amount paid. Specify who should be included in this expense. Edit the date of the expense if necessary. Last but not least, save your entry. Now, let's explore the expense section. Here, you'll find different tabs, including Private, Group, and Billing. You can easily switch between them to view and manage your expenses. For a comprehensive view of your expenses, tap on Expense Statistics. And if you're a Lambus Pro user, you can export your expenses as an Excel file. Just tap on the three dots and select Export Expenses as Excel file. With the expense feature in Lambus, you can effortlessly track your spending, whether it's a private expense or you're sharing expenses with friends and family. Thank you for watching this Lambus tutorial. Enjoy your journey and may your budget stay on point.